Friends, it's Christmas. It is the time to be jolly. It is the time to come together with our family members, our closest of friends, share the love, spoil each other with gifts, and sit around a table and enjoy a traditional Christmas meal. Of course, with some excellent wines. So many different wines to enjoy with the Christmas meal. Just how many are we supposed to enjoy? Well, as many as you can. The whole idea is that the whole family sits around the table, enjoys a great massive feast, and so it's only fair that you have many bottles of wines open at the table. What is important to remember, my friends, is that there is no such rule as pairing white meat with white wines or red meat with red wines. Now, have you ever wondered why it's called a Christmas dinner? That is because you can enjoy a traditional Christmas meal anytime, starting from the eve of Christmas all the way up to the night of Christmas. And the very talented chef Rahul Akerkar, along with his stellar team, Chef Tarang and Chef Ash, have put together this stellar Christmas meal, which we will talk about, along with what wines to enjoy. To start off the Christmas meal, what is very important is a great welcome drink, and nothing can do better than a crisp glass of champagne. You can never go wrong with champagne. But sometimes champagnes can be frightfully expensive. So if you are on a bit of a budget, a great high quality cava or an excellent prosecco or even an Indian sparkling wine that has been well made can do the job equally well. Not only are these drinks great on their own, but actually they're great palate cleansers. Sometimes some of these sparkling wines or even a crisp white Chablis from France can be an excellent choice to pair with such foods. Now, no Christmas meal is complete without a turkey, right? So right here at the table, we have this wonderfully cooked turkey porchetta. Now, we must understand that turkey as a meat on its own may not be overtly flavorful. So if you actually pair this with a wine that's very matured and very fine, the wine may not be able to stand up to the dish at all. What you actually need is a wine that is extremely flavorsome and can match the intensity and the weight of the dish. In such a case, I would recommend either going with a full-bodied white wine, perhaps like a Californian Chardonnay, or you may even look at a fruity, ripe, round, rich red wine, such as one from Rioja, or a lovely Malbec, or a beautiful young Spanish Tempranillo. If you're a lover of Italian wines, maybe a Ripasso della Valpolicella or even an Amarone della Valpolicella would be an excellent choice to enjoy with such dishes. You can also have some duck porchetta along with perhaps a beautiful Pinot Noir from Burgundy, or an excellent choice would also be a Pinot Noir from some of the riper regions of New Zealand or Oregon in USA. And what about the accompaniments? Now, it's classic along with your traditional Christmas meal to have accompaniments which comprise of hearty winter vegetables like turnips and carrots and artichokes, and mixed with lentils, as you can see, and there is sweet potato fondant there. All of these ingredients would be excellent actually with a beautiful glass of rosé. How about that? So rosé wines can be excellent choices to pair with all kinds of foods, in fact, because what they do have is the lightness and freshness of a white wine and the deep fruitiness, the richness of a red wine. So actually they have best of both the worlds, and therefore they can complement a wide variety of foods. So it's definitely worth having a bottle of rosé open at your Christmas table. Can't possibly end a Christmas meal without a proper dessert, right? It's so classic to have a great Christmas pudding or mince pies or chocolate cookies. All of these dishes really add to the love and the warmth of the festival. And I think an excellent choice of wine to pair with and enjoy with all these sweet dessert dishes could actually be a ruby port or a tawny port, or even for fruit-based or cream-based dishes, you could actually pair them with a nice sweet Riesling. or a sweet Sauterne from France. All of these would make excellent choices. Sometimes the availability of some of these wines can be restrictive in India, but I do know we get a couple of really exciting ports from Cockburns available here. So go grab a bottle and enjoy some of these wines. The great thing about sweet wines is not only can you pair them with sweet dessert, but you can also contrast their flavors. You could actually try them with some salty cheeses, or you could try them with some blue cheeses. That would actually make a wonderful contrasting combination and could be really, really exciting to enjoy on a Christmas day. Enjoy the festive season and happy Christmas to you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to our channel, Sonal Holland Wine TV, and also leave us a comment on what other video content you would like to watch. I wish you all a very, very happy Christmas from ours to yours. Cheers.